Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be seeing what's in store for you, what can be expected this month, and they're all general readings, so just take them as they resonate with you and leave the rest. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see, Leos, what are the messages for you for this month? What are the messages for Leos for this month? So we have the Ten of Cups, the Chariot, the Four of Pentacles, the Hangman, the Sun, okay, the Two of Wands, the Nine of Wands, the Four of Cups, the Six of Swords, and the World. The World and the Fool. I really don't feel there is anything else to be said here. So Leos, you are dealing with a beautiful relationship over here. This is a commitment which is definitely a long-standing commitment. Okay, it's a beautiful relationship. Maybe you are actually in a marriage. Okay, so it is something, it is a long-term relationship, or at least this is how you plan it to be. Take it. Okay, so it is a definitely a big commitment over here. Either actually it is a relationship, a long-term relationship, or that is what you are planning it to be in future. Okay, and this picks up pace very fast. Things immediately pick up pace, things, and it's like everything seems to be very beautiful, just like a rainbow. All your wishes fulfilled, everything is beautiful, everything is good over here in this relationship. Okay, but what I feel here is that there is something perhaps which is hidden here, or you are hiding, they are hiding. There is something about this. There is a curtain here. There is some sort of a curtain. Things are moving very fast. Everything is moving. Either you are keeping it a secret from others. Either this relationship itself is a secret and hidden, or you are hiding from each other. I don't know, but there is something which is hidden here. Even though the relationship has really picked up pace, but there is something which is hidden. Either the relationship itself is hidden. I don't know. It seems like that actually. Or maybe you people meet secretly. It can be that. So in that sense it is hidden, but definitely something is hidden over here. Hidden from the world, that's what I feel. It seems to be hidden from others. At least as for now. And maybe I'm not saying you plan to do that in future, but as for now there is something, there is a curtain to it. There is definitely a curtain to it, to some aspect of this relationship or the relationship itself. And with the Four of Pentacles, somebody is really holding something close to your heart. You're really holding something close to, it's like not opening up, not revealing. Again, to me it looks like keeping some secrets, or it's the relationship itself may be a secret. I don't know. There is something here which is not talked about, not opened up by one person to the other, or the relationship itself. And I think because of that, because of this aspect only, it immediately comes to a standstill. So there is something in this relationship, though it picks up pace fast, but there is something attached to it which to me feels like some hidden secret or something, or holding it back, because of which things are as for now stagnant. It comes to a standstill. Maybe you are keeping it a secret. Again and again I'm getting like that. Maybe it is a secret relationship. Okay, or you want to hide it from others, and for some reason it has come to a stagnation. For some reason it has come to a stagnant point. Things are not moving forward. Perhaps you are not able to meet the person, I don't know, something definitely is happening here because of which this relationship has come to a pause here. And you are thinking of the ways and means to restore happiness in this relationship. You want your happiness back. You want things to be as they were again. And you are trying to think of the ways and the means as to how you can do that. How you can do that. Okay, but what I feel here is that even though you are trying to think out of the box, you are trying to sort of you want this relationship to progress basically, okay, and it is just not happening. You're trying to think of all the ways and the means to progress, but it's just not happening. And with the two of wands being here, I think it is just there is no point. You're just waiting and waiting and waiting away, but things are stagnant. And with the nine of wands again, so it's been a long time that you're waiting and waiting and waiting. It maybe this is a relationship which at some point in time immediately picked up pace, and maybe somebody exited very fast from this relationship. It can be that also. That is also maybe it picked up pace very fast and somebody ran away at the it's like at the mid of the night, leaving you sort of you were unaware of this, that this person is making a fast exit secretly. It can be that also. And that is why the situation is stagnant. You can't even talk about it, you can't even tell anyone, you're just hiding it, keeping it to yourself, and things are on a pause. And it's been a long time that you've been waiting for this person to be back. It's really upsetting you a lot, but yes, you are trying definitely. It's after waiting for a long time, you will decide that there is no point in waiting. There will come a point when you will realize that there is no point in waiting any longer, and you really have to move on. Okay, and that you will do slowly and steadily. But initially what I feel is you are trying, at least thinking. I don't feel you're trying. It's like you're just wishing that things may move again and this person may come back to your life and things may progress, the relationship may proceed forward, but it is just not happening. And you're really very upset since you've been waiting and waiting for it, for this person since a long time. And I see slowly and steadily you will make a move, though you're very very upset coming out of it and leaving this relationship. But anyway, you have to do that, and you will be doing that. And slowly you will be opening up the new chapters of your life. You will be moving towards a different chapter of your life. You will be taking a leap of faith. You will be leaving behind whatever it was which was stuck, whatever the stagnant relationship was about. After waiting for such a long time, ultimately you will decide that no, I need to make a move, I need to start my life afresh. And you will do that. Ultimately you will have to do that. Let's see what is the message from this deck. The Three of Spades. So what I feel here is you have all the tools to make a new beginning. You have all the tools. You can make your life again. You can look for the horizons, new horizons once again. You have the tools. You have the I should say resources. You know that you can do it. Guidance from the angels. Number 18 may be of some significance for you. Intuition and insight. Your intuitive abilities are very accurate right now. You can trust your guidance and lead you in the right direction. Follow your own insights over the advice of others, and don't allow fear or worry to guide your way. It may be best to keep your secrets to yourself for now. That is what you are doing. So Leos, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.